Hey there, imagine this. You're sipping coffee in your dream destination, all expenses paid. Not by a lottery win, but by hosting on Airbnb. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's not. Airbnb has turned spare rooms, cozy apartments, and even quirky tree houses into serious money-making machines. If you're wondering how you can cash in on the Airbnb boom, stick around. Today, I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb, whether you own a property, rent, or have a super creative idea. But before we start, hit that subscribe button to join the squad that's learning to make money smartly. Missing out would be like leaving free cookies on the counter. Why would you do that? 1. Host your space. Your home could be your goldmine. Let's start with the obvious. Hosting your space. If you've got an extra room, an empty apartment, or even a basement that doesn't scream haunted house, you're sitting on potential cash. Fun hook. Think of it as having house guests, except these guests pay you to stay, and don't hog your Netflix account. Pro tip. Spruce up your space with small touches like fresh plants or cozy lighting. Guests love those Instagram-worthy vibes. 2. Rent out unused spaces, garage, RV, backyard tent. No extra room? No problem. Airbnb now allows you to list unique spaces. Garages, RVs, yurts, or even a decked-out backyard tent can earn you big bucks. Humor hook. Ever thought your garage could double as a cozy weekend getaway? With Airbnb, your cluttered corner could be someone's dream escape. Pro tip. Check out Airbnb's Unique Stays category for inspiration, and don't forget to include killer photos. 3. Become a co-host. Make money without owning property. If you don't own a property but love the idea of hosting, become a co-host. Help property owners manage their listings, coordinate cleanings or handle guest communications, and get a slice of the earnings. Fun hook. Think of yourself as the Airbnb fairy godparent, making everything magical behind the scenes. Pro tip. Join local hosting groups or online communities to find owners looking for co-hosts. 4. Experiences. Share your skills and earn. Hosting isn't just about renting spaces. Airbnb Experiences lets you offer unique activities, like cooking classes, guided hikes, or even virtual workshops. Humor hook. If you can make killer tacos, teach yoga to goats, or just know your way around a city, you're basically a money-making machine waiting to happen. Pro tip. Focus on activities that are authentic and unique to your area. Tourists love feeling like locals. 5. Arbitrage, rent, list, repeat. Here's a clever hack. Rental arbitrage. You rent a property on a long-term lease and list it on Airbnb for short-term stays. You pocket the difference. Humor hook. Yes, you can legally turn your landlord into your silent business partner. Just make sure they're cool with it first. Pro tip. Check local regulations and ensure your lease allows short-term rentals before diving in. 6. Offer extra services to boost earnings. Want to go above and beyond? Offer add-ons like airport pickups, curated local guides, or even pre-stocked fridges for your guests. Fun hook. Imagine arriving at a stay to find snacks and a guide to the best pizza spots in town. Instant 5-star review. Pro tip. Personal touches equals happy guests, equals glowing reviews, equals more bookings. It's the ultimate Airbnb domino effect. 7. Invest in vacation properties. If you're ready to go big, invest in vacation properties specifically for Airbnb. Hotspots like beach towns or scenic mountain areas can bring in hefty profits. Humor hook. Turns out your dream beach house can actually pay for itself, and maybe even your coffee addiction. Pro tip. Research the best locations using Airbnb's data on occupancy rates and average nightly prices. And that's how you can make serious money with Airbnb. Whether you're listing your spare room, hosting quirky experiences, or diving into rental arbitrage, there's a strategy for everyone. Now, hit that subscribe button because I'm serving up money-making tips like these every week. Seriously, don't miss out. It's like forgetting to book your dream vacation before the prices go up. Drop a comment below. Which Airbnb idea are you excited to try? Let's turn your space into cash and your skills into gold. See you in the next one.